Right, so here we are the next day, and as you can see the seat's actually dried out quite well. What I do is I usually just run my hands over the top, and if it feels a little bit gritty, what I do is grab a bit of sandpaper. You can either use 400 if it's really, really rough, or in this case here it's pretty good. So I'm just using 600 grit sandpaper, and I'll just give it a light sand, because what I'm wanting to do is just take a lot of the, just some of the grittiness off and the sharpness off the leather. Just get it a bit going over like that. And you can see it's sort of started to look raw in places. That's fine. People get horrified when they see me sanding leather, but they do that in the tannery when they're making hides, so don't worry about it. It's all part of the process. So I'm just sort of sanding over these cracks here, just taking the sharp edges off. So yesterday, when we were cleaning the seats down, we removed most of the sludge, or the unstable finish on the leather. So what we're doing today is just finalising, just finishing off. So we've got a really, really good base for finishing over. So that actually feels pretty good now. So what I'll do next is I'll blow it off with the air gun. Then I go over what we did yesterday, but this time we won't be removing anywhere near as much sludge as we did yesterday, because we've taken most of it off already. Grab a new Scotch Grip pad, some new leather prep, and we're just lightly going over it again, just to finalise it. So going over it twice, is sort of making sure I've got everything. The last thing you want to do is just go over and do your prepping once, one pass, and then find out you've left bits and pieces and end up with problems. So I'm pretty fastidious when it comes to prepping, because I know back in the olden days when we first started, we used to have problems, delamination problems, and it all came back to the same thing, and it was just bad prep. So I learned a lesson the hard way, and now we don't have any issues like that at all. So I'd rather spend the time right now in the preparation stage to get it exactly right, unless I know I've eliminated all potential problems. So out again. There's still a little bit of sludge coming out of there. Well, it's not really sludge, it's more the old finish is still coming out. I mean, the object is not to get all the finish off, it's just to make sure that it's just thoroughly prepped. You've chemically etched it, you've mechanically etched it, and we're just getting all the unstable stuff off the top. So that's it. So I'll just carry on and just do the rest of the seats like that. And so what you're going to do now is just go through the light sanding to sand all the cracks and those bits that feel a little bit rough. Give it a light prep again, and let it dry, and then the prepping is all done. So I'll cut away now and come back when we're ready for the next step.